The Universal Declaration of Human Rights is a blueprint for a better future, a guiding light. It represents a powerful unifying force for equality, social progress, justice, and respect. But the journey towards human rights is not a path that was completed in 1948 or when Nelson Mandela walked free. It is an ongoing quest that requires each of us to be torchbearers of change. It is a call to action that transcends borders, cultures, and beliefs. As we celebrate the 75th anniversary of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, let us remember that it is not just a historical document, but a living testament to our shared humanity, a timeless guide. In its spirit, let us forge a path of hope, unity, and justice, lighting the way for generations to come.